Welcome to today's Top Tech Review, where we dive into the highly anticipated new Mac Studio. At first glance, it may appear nearly identical to its predecessor, but don't be fooled. This compact and sleek pro-level workstation packs some serious power. With limited upgradability, careful consideration at the time of purchase is essential. The ports remain largely unchanged, offering a range of connectivity options. However, it's the processor inside that truly sets this machine apart. Equipped with the mighty M2 Ultra chip, we'll explore its performance through a series of rigorous benchmarks. So buckle up as we uncover whether the enhancements in this latest iteration truly make a difference. While the architectural shrink rumors did materialize for this generation, Apple didn't hold back on making noteworthy design enhancements. The M2 Ultra boasts a staggering 20 billion additional transistors compared to its predecessor, the M1 Ultra, and offers the option for higher specifications, with support for up to 192 gigabytes of unified memory compared to the M1's 128 gigabytes limit, and the ability to configure a 24-core or 76-core GPU versus the M1's 20-core GPU. The M2 Ultra promises to deliver impressive performance. In this review, we focus on the top-spec version of the M2 Ultra chip, aiming to gauge the true impact of those extra cores on overall performance. The Mac Studio 2023, equipped with this powerhouse chip, showcases the pinnacle of Apple's technological prowess. One area where the M2 Ultra truly shines is graphic performance. The additional cores prove their worth, as Geekbench's GPU benchmarks consistently yielded 20 to 50% higher results in both Metal and OpenCL tests when compared to the M1 Ultra. While the Mac Studio 2023 may not be the go-to system for hardcore gamers, it managed to deliver frame rates in shadow of the Tomb Raider that were 10 to 30% higher across various resolutions, all while running at the game's highest settings. Notably, the M2 Ultra even surpassed the 60 frames per second milestone at 4K resolution, showcasing its prowess in delivering a smooth gaming experience. Benchmarks. One significant area where the M2 Ultra shines is in the Xcode benchmark, where it showcased an impressive 18% improvement over its predecessor, the M1 Ultra, in compilation time. This efficiency boost can be a game-changer for busy developers, saving them valuable time that accumulates over numerous projects. However, it's important to note a peculiar result in the Puget Bench for Premiere Pro benchmark, where the M2 Ultra received a lower score compared to the M1 Ultra. Despite numerous attempts to troubleshoot the issue, including adjusting various settings, the cause remains elusive. Interestingly, other M2 Ultra scores in Puget's database align with our findings, suggesting a potential compatibility glitch between Puget Bench and the M2 Ultra, a situation not uncommon for brand new chips. Nevertheless, when it comes to actual exports in Premiere Pro, the M2-powered machine outperformed the M1 by a significant margin, reinforcing its capabilities for video editing tasks. Moving on to CPU performance, the M2 Ultra displayed a modest yet noticeable increase in both single-core and multi-core performance. It's worth highlighting that the cooling system of the Mac Studio, which accommodates the more powerful M2 Ultra chip, effectively manages temperature control. This was evident as the Cinebench scores of both machines remained relatively consistent during the 10-minute and 30-minute benchmark loops. Cooling system. When it comes to cooling, the Mac Studio impresses once again. Notably, there were no noticeable differences in fan noise or heat between the M1 Ultra and M2 Ultra units. Even with a close ear to the case, both machines remain surprisingly quiet, debunking any concerns that may have surfaced on the internet regarding noise levels. It appears that the perception of fan noise may vary depending on individual preferences or environmental factors. While benchmarks and cooling performance are essential, the ultimate measure of a device's worth lies in its day-to-day functionality. To gain insights from an expert perspective, we turn to Alex Parkin, The Verge's art director for video, who regularly utilizes the M1 Ultra Mac Studio for his daily work. Upon using the M2 Ultra machine for a morning of work involving After Effects, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro, Alex's response was rather understated. When asked if the M2 Ultra felt faster than the M1 Ultra, he responded with a shrug, eventually acknowledging the incremental speed boost. During his tasks, Alex completed a Premiere export in 10 minutes, estimating it would have taken him 20 minutes on his regular machine, a result that aligns with our own export testing. However, he didn't view the performance increase as a life-changing transformation. His assessment of the M2 Ultra Studio was considerably more subdued compared to the awe-inspiring reactions from creators who experienced the M1 Ultra Studio last year, particularly those transitioning from Intel Macs or Windows PCs. In essence, Alex is content with the computer he currently possesses, This sentiment isn't entirely surprising, as the remarkable leap from Intel to Apple's M1 platform is unlikely to be replicated with the same magnitude in this iteration. Speaking with professionals who rely on Apple's desktop hardware, a recurring theme emerges. Speed is no longer a significant hindrance in their workflows, thanks to the blazing fast performance of the M1 Ultra. Instead, the main bottlenecks lie in glitches within software like Premiere and other tools, a common grievance among individuals working in video and graphic design. In the age of the Ultra, raw power is no longer a limiting factor for Alex and many others. These software-related issues are challenges that Apple ultimately cannot solely address. Furthermore, Alex's experience reaffirmed the absence of bothersome fan noise in the M2 Ultra model, a trait also shared by the M1 Ultra. As we delve deeper into the realm of top-tier tech, the Mac Studio continues to make its mark with a balance of impressive performance and quiet efficiency. Power and efficiency. The Apple Mac Studio combines power and efficiency, building upon the success of its predecessor, the M1 Ultra. With improved graphical performance and speed, it offers enhanced productivity for professionals. While the cost is significant, it provides a compelling option for those seeking to optimize their workflows. Apple's chip development now focuses on steady improvements rather than drastic leaps, making it a consideration for power-hungry professionals and a showcase of their engineering prowess. And that wraps up today's video, where we delve into all there is to know about the Apple Mac Studio. We explored its impressive features, improved performance, and its potential impact on professionals. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.